In this video, I will show how to duplicate a page in coreldraw. So very easy and simple way. In this top bar, click on layout, and here you will see option duplicate page. So click on it. Here you will see option insert new page as duplicate before selected page or after selected page. You can just copy layer only, or you can copy layers and their contents, then click on OK. So as we can see, we have now this 2 page. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.